Good morning. You ready to go? It's nice and cold. The name of this little clip is going to be Born to Run, I think. Your dog really wants to run. My baby girl loves it. When it gets colder, the colder it gets, the more she wants to run. It's only about 50 degrees Fahrenheit here. They're promising some snow. But baby, do you like to run? Yeah, I'm on my trike here. This is a 20-inch wheels. Keep right. Keep right. I found she really likes it when it's cold. The colder it is, the more she wants to run. I can keep up with her on this trike. She's setting the pace. You can see I'm not pedaling here. And that's pretty much the way we go until she slows down. Feather, are you having fun? Huh? Ooh, I take this turn. See a lot of dogs along the way. Your dog wants to run. So, ooh, I feel a couple flakes. They're predicting a couple. I pedal sometimes. I can get her going faster. She loves it. If you got a dog and you're not letting them run, there's something wrong. Because your dog wants to run. Now, she's a working breed, but even so. All right, let's stop right here, baby. Let's stop so I can stop this video. You've got to pee? All right. Anyway, we're going to publish some more of these. And the title is Your Dog Needs to Run.